Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can synchronize the left and the right earbud of the CX Plus from Sennheiser. So in the most cases when you pair them with Android phone, everything is fine, but when you add them to the Sennheiser application, you will find out that only left or the right is playing. And to synchronize them, you have to open this charging case and then put the left and then the right inside the case for at least 20 seconds. So right now we have to wait for the 20 seconds. You have to remember to do not close this cover, and after this time they will simply synchronize, and after that you will be able to use them together. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, right now let's take them out of this case. Take a look for the application connection status, open it, and as you can see right now the battery percentage is show for each buds, but previously it was like left and the right. So right now that they are synchronized, and of course I can prove it to you, I'm gonna play like for example this Starboy from the weekend. Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear that sound, but it's definitely playing the left and the right earbud. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.